The Citadelle Henry, also known as Citadelle La Ferrière, is an awe-inspiring fortification located in Haiti, built in 1805 by Henri Christophe, the first king of Haiti. It is the largest fortress in the Western Hemisphere and stands 900 meters above sea level, with the walls of the fortress rising 40 meters, 130 feet, from the top of the mountain. The entire complex, excluding the surrounding land, covers an area of 10,000 square meters. This monumental structure is a lasting testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the Haitian people, and stands as a reminder of the country's rich history and culture. This military work is part of a new logic of Haitian defense, practical and different from that deployed by the colonists. It was to erect fortifications on the slopes of the mountains inside the territory to defend freedom, not the product of colonial plantations. Well placed in this context, the citadel is different from other fortifications of its time. Its gigantism is explained by its mission and enormous charge. It dominates and watches over several cities and other fortifications. This fortress would have served as the last bulwark for the young free Negro nation in case of a strong return of the colonizers. Today, the Citadelle Henry holds the largest collection of 18th century cannons. The Citadelle Henry is an impressive sight that is sure to take your breath away and leave you with a sense of admiration and awe. It is a reminder of Haiti's past greatness and a symbol of hope for the future. With its greatness and beauty, it is a must-see attraction for anyone visiting the country.